Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Marvish Cuisine. Today I'm making another pasta dish that's cheesy spaghetti casserole. It's a complete meal itself. It has some meat, spaghetti, a lot of different cheeses, or you can serve it with some garlic bread or a side salad and enjoy it with your family. So let's go and make it happen. So first for this recipe, we're gonna prepare a meat. For that, today I'm taking grounded beef, adding it in a hot fry pan with some chopped onions and start cooking until beef is brown. If you have some extra grease, so just throw that away. And then I'm adding a pasta sauce in there, adding a whole jar with some garlic powder and Italian herbs. Mix everything well with the grounded meat and simmer and let it cook for at least 10 minutes. Then switch off the flame and keep this mixture on the side. Now I am boiling some spaghetti. You can use any other pasta as well according to the package instruction. Then when it's cooked, I drain the excess water and then transfer it into a bowl. Now I'm adding some cream cheese in there. Mix cream cheese very well until cream cheese is melted and mix thoroughly with the spaghetti. After that, we're gonna add the cooked grounded beef mixture in there. Now, when you are mixing a cream cheese with the spaghetti, and if you have some bigger chunks, they're gonna melt it down with the help of this warm grounded beef mixture. Mix everything well with the spaghetti, and now we're gonna keep this mixture on the side, and we're gonna go ahead and make our cheesy mozzarella sauce. For that, I'm melting some butter in a fry pan, adding some all-purpose flour, and cook this flour until it's cooked through for like a minute or two. Then gradually add some milk and mix with the flour until flour is completely mixed, and then add the remaining milk which is required for this recipe, and cook until the consistency become like a whipping cream and start sticking to your spoon or a whisk. Then I'm adding some shredded mozzarella cheese. Cook until the cheese is completely melted and mixed through, and it turned into a nice stringy cheesy mozzarella sauce. As you can see it here, it looks so drool worthy. You're gonna go ahead and make this recipe right now. So don't get distracted, just follow the next procedure. I am greasing a 9 by 13-inch glass dish and I'm adding half of the grounded meat and the spaghetti mixture in this prepared glass dish. Spread it very well and layer it. That now I'm gonna add the half of the cheese sauce which we just made. With the very light hand, with the help of spoon, just spread that cheese, and then if you want you can add some Parmesan cheese in this layer. I forgot to do that. Now add the remaining spaghetti mixture, spread it very well on top of all those spaghetti and sauce, and then spread it into an even layer, and then I'm adding the remaining mozzarella cheesy sauce. Now with the back of spoon, with a very light hand, just spread it evenly on top of it. Now I'm gonna sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top, and then we're gonna take it to the oven which is preheated on 350 degrees, and we're gonna bake it for at least 20 to 25 minutes until you get a very nice golden crusty top and it's cooked through. So here is our cheesy spaghetti casserole ready to serve. You can make it for a party, picnic potluck, for kids school lunches, or of course you can enjoy it with the family at home. If you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.